What is up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. So today we have got an unboxing video for you. Got some limited edition shoes, just dropped last night, but I was online, I was ready, so I happened to get my hands on them, so I'm going to show them to you today. Those are clean. Oh my god. So clean. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the Christ 8's Crucifixion Edition. So clean. My god. Dude, look at this.
How much you drop on those?
It looks like Jesus himself wore them.
Oh my god.
For only $2. $215.
Look at the level of craftsmanship on these.
Goodness.
It's all one piece.
It's leather.
I don't even want to touch it. I'm going to ruin it, man.
Honestly. Look, you even got some fucking pebbles in.
Don't crease those.
God damn. Oh, these are gorgeous. These are just beautiful.
Try them on. Try them on, man. Those are.
Let me just real quick.
Sorry for flexing on you.
Didn't mean to flex on y'all. Oh, damn. Shh.
Don't sleep on them.
Just saying, we out here. The grind is real.
Israel.
I wish I got crucified. So, okay. Anyways, overall review, I would say
Wood cop.
style, 10 out of 10. Reliability, 10 out of 10 easily.
I've been over 2,000 years.
Comfortability,
Comfortability.
10 out of 10. That's a word, I made it up. 10 out of 10 easily.
The real
price range, very affordable at only $215. Very affordable.
The real question is, cop or drop for all our viewers?
Can you get cop across the board?
Obviously. I mean,
these are.
Doesn't get much better than this, boys.
This gets the Nick Silas vlog. Okay.
I mean, probably Nike's best work.
Them yet, absolutely, dude.
I mean, by far, nothing comes close.
Like, you probably haven't copped them yet. They're real. Like, they just came out. Like, get your hands on these as soon as you can. Like, they're gonna sell out.
I mean, Jordans make you fly, but I mean, you can walk on water with these, so like, not really a fair comparison here, is there?
Boys, sneakerheads are going crazy everywhere, bro. Alright. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you get a chance to get your hands on the pair of the Christ 8's Crucifixion Edition.
I mean,
it's unreal.